From the nation's favourite vacuum comes the UK's first cordless cylinder. The Henry you love, and now he's cordless. Henry's 2 removable battery packs means you can use one, charge one, and with a fast 3.5-hour charge, he's always ready to go. No cord makes dealing with those unexpected cleanups quick and easy. With a capacity over 10 times larger than his rivals and a 1-hour runtime, Henry's just as ready to take on the whole house. With no stopping, plugging or reeling, cordless saves you time. Along with the latest in cordless innovation, you'll still find all the things you love about Henry. The great cleaning performance, the trusted reliability, and those handy tools to tackle each and every job. Switch to Boost mode and Henry delivers powerful cleaning just when you need it. And when you've finished around the house, Henry is ready for wherever you need him next. Henry Cordless, not just a smiley face.